Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Boots Easter Luxury Beauty Box. This box is currently on sale for £52 and is worth £233.45. It's an absolute steal. This is how the box arrives. It comes with 14 products, 5 are full size. The rest are minis, but they're not that small. They're pretty decent sizes, in my opinion. It's very well presented, and I think it looks adorable. Extremely Easter vibes, and it kind of reminds me of Tiffany because of the blue. But I really love this box, and I can't wait to get into it. First up, we have a makeup brush, which is by Spectrum. Personally, my favourite brand for brushes. It is an angled brush, which would be useful for your bronzer or your blush. This box also comes with a blush, which is the Bare Minerals blush, which I will get into next. So it's a perfect combo. I use these brushes all the time and I will always swear by them. They're so soft and they blend out everything so seamlessly. So I'm glad to have another one of these. I believe I may have this brush in a limited edition packaging, but I will always have backups of this. So this is a nice start. The blush I mentioned by Bare Minerals is actually considered a bronzer, but I would say it's more of a blush by the colour of it. It's 3.8 grams, so you're getting a pretty decent amount of product in here. I've never tried Bare Minerals blushes or bronzers before, but it does look quite dark. Maybe I could use this in the summertime. If you have a darker complexion, this would suit you very well. But this is the bronzer that comes. The box also comes with a mini of the Laneige sleeping mask in Berry. I currently have a full size of this that I'm using and I really enjoy these. So it's quite nice to have a smaller one, especially for travelling as we're moving into spring. So happy to have one of these. Next up, we have a mini of the Urban Decay All Night Setting Spray. I know this is a cult favourite for many. Personally, it's not my favourite, but I can go through these very, very quickly in a matter of days. So it's always nice to have a spare on hand of any setting spray. This box actually comes with 2 lip treatments. We also have the Dr. Jart Ceramide Lip Balm, which I'm hoping this is really, really good. I haven't heard much about it, but I know that it's a good brand, especially with me and my chronically dry lips. So I'm happy to have this and to try it out. I believe this might be full size, I'm not too sure. It's 7ml. We also have some sunscreen, which is the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen, which is the mini size. I currently have a full size of this, but again, it's always nice to have something smaller for travelling. A nice product to complement the sunscreen is a day cream, which is Grown Alchemist Hydra Restore Day Cream. This has aloe and vitamin E. This is a mini size, but I believe this will be really good because most of their products work so nicely for me. Another cream that comes in this box is by Estee Lauder, and I believe this one is £30 on its own for 15ml. So this is a really great product to have in a £52 box. It's the Revitalizing Supreme Youth Power Cream, which is this one. I'm trying to not blind you with the packaging here, so I'll show you the box. But this is how it looks. It's quite an expensive cream, so if you've wanted to try this, this box could be a good option for you. This box also comes with a fragrance, which is always lovely for us scent lovers. It's Floral Street Wonderland Peony, which is actually one of my favourite scents at the moment. I currently have one of these, so having a backup is lovely. It's this one, again trying to not blind you. This is 10ml, and these usually retail for £29 on their own. Next up we have some shower goodies. We have the Sol de Janeiro Bum Dia Bright. I hope to God I'm saying that right. Which is a clarifying body wash. It's a mini size. This is sealed and I can already smell it through the seal, so I know it smells strong. I've never tried this one. I've only tried the usual caramel scent that everyone loves. But I can't wait to try this, especially a clarifying version of it. After using the body wash, this also comes with a nourishing body oil by First Aid Beauty. I believe this is a full size, 177ml. I've never tried any of their body oils before, but I got a funny feeling I'm going to enjoy this because I've been getting into oils rather than lotions lately. But I can't wait to try this. The box also comes with a duo of a shampoo and a conditioner, which is rare in any beauty box. You usually get one or the other. It's the full all-rounder hydrating, nourishing and anti-frizz. I've personally never heard of these, but apparently they're really good from what I'm seeing. They are supposed to repair your hair, and as somebody who bleaches my hair, apparently these should be good for me. And I can't wait to give you a review. Keep an eye out on Instagram and further videos. Subscribe to stay in the loop. And finishing off with another hair care product, we have the Philip Kingsley Bond Builder, which is a split end remedy. It says apparently you use this on damp hair. I've never seen this before. I know the brand and it gets on very well with my hair. My hair always feels amazing after using their product, so this shouldn't be any different, and I can't wait to use this and give you my thoughts. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please consider subscribing and giving me a thumbs up, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!